Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to make a paysafe account. Paysafe is a prepaid e-wallet that can be used to make online purchases. It's a great way to keep your financial information safe and secure, and it's also a convenient way to pay for things online. In this video, I'll show you how to create a paysafe account, how to add money to your account, and how to use your paysafe account to make online purchases. What is paysafe? Paysafe is a prepaid e-wallet that can be used to make online purchases. It's a great way to keep your financial information safe and secure, and it's also a convenient way to pay for things online. Paysafe is accepted by thousands of merchants worldwide, including many popular online retailers. You can use your Paysafe account to pay for things like clothes, electronics, groceries, and travel. How to create a Paysafe account? Creating a Paysafe account is easy. Just follow these steps. Go to the Paysafe website and click on the Create an Account button. Enter your personal information, such as your name, email address, and date of birth. Create a password for your account. Choose a security question and answer. Click on the Create Account button. Once you have created your account, you will need to verify your identity. To do this, you will need to provide a copy of your government-issued ID, such as a driver's license or passport. How to add money to your Paysafe account? There are a few different ways to add money to your Paysafe account. You can use your credit card or debit card. Use a bank transfer. Buy a Paysafe voucher. Once you have added money to your account, you can use it to make online purchases. How to use your Paysafe account to make online purchases? Using your Paysafe account to make online purchases is easy. Just follow these steps. Go to the website of the merchant you want to make a purchase from. Select Paysafe as your payment method. Enter your Paysafe email address and password. Enter the amount you want to pay. Click on the Submit button. Your payment will be processed and you will receive a confirmation email from Paysafe. Benefits of using Paysafe. There are many benefits to using Paysafe. Here are a few of the most important. Security. Paysafe is a secure way to make online purchases. Your financial information is protected by encryption and other security measures. Convenience. Paysafe is a convenient way to pay for things online. You don't have to enter your credit card information every time you make a purchase. Flexibility. Paysafe can be used to make purchases at thousands of different merchants. Affordability. Paysafe is a free service to use. Additional tips. Here are a few additional tips for using Paysafe. Be sure to keep your Paysafe account information safe and secure. Don't share your Paysafe password with anyone. Be aware of phishing scams. Phishing scams are emails or websites that try to trick you into giving up your personal information. 1. If you think you have been the victim of a phishing scam, contact Paysafe immediately. Paysafe is a great way to make online purchases. It's a secure, convenient, and affordable way to pay for things online. If you're looking for a safe and secure way to make online purchases, I recommend creating a Paysafe account. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you learn how to make a Paysafe account. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below.